Good morning, my dear class. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is the chapter number 7, and the name of the topic is using list and creating a table. So class, this is very interesting topic. I hope you all are enjoyed a lot. So class, let's start. But before moving towards our topic, you must be known to be about that what is the meaning of HTML and how HTML work. So now let's start with a new one, that is the HTML. So class, our topic using list and creating a table is totally related with the concept HTML. So HTML means hypertext markup language, and HTML contains all the documents which includes various type of web pages. HTML always tags with the keywords that are surrounded by angle brackets, like you can see here in the slide. Here there is an one word written, that is the HTML, but this HTML word is surrounded by the angle brackets. So HTML tags normally come in pairs, like angle bracket B, then close the angle bracket. And always remember, the first tag in a pair is the start tag, which is called a opening tag. And if we can talk about second tag, it is the end tag, that is called a closing tags. So HTML contains two type of tag. First one is the opening tags and second one is the closing tags. Now let's move further, that there are two uses of list in HTML. So these are the two uses and two type of list in HTML. First one is the unordered list. It is always represented by UL word. Here you can easily see that here there is an one word written in an angle bracket, that is the UL. So here UL means unorganized list. So an unorganized list is used when the items are not able to be displayed in any particular sequence. So here we can use default bullet type, which is the most web browser is disk. So now let's start that how we can make a program in HTML by using a unordered list. So class, if I want to run a program in HTML, first of all we would like to open a notepad. So now here I can write the notepad. Here icon comes in a program that is called notepad. So this is my notepad. So here I can write all the programs which is related with the HTML. Like in your book there is one program related with HTML, that is applying a bullets. So now start writing or start run a program. So how we can start? First of all we can write a HTML, then afterwards close the bracket, then afterwards we can again start an angle bracket and start writing head, then press the enter. Now the same procedure go on. Now class, see here I can write a one program in notepad regarding the HTML, which includes the title name, different type of colors, which includes left margin, top margin, font size, color yellow, and the material. Here material or matter is related with the 5 D's for success, means what are the 5 different D's for success. So after writing this program, now you have to save the program. So click on file button, then click on button save. Here our program is safe. Now we can move further. Now we can minimize it. After minimize it, I can save my program in the desktop. So with the name of Charu. So I can click it here. Just wait, processing is going on. Now see here, this is the result of the HTML program which we had already written in the notepad. So this is the way that how we can run a program in HTML with the help of a notepad. I hope you can easily understand that what is the meaning of HTML and how program runs in HTML. So students, if you are having a laptop or system at home, please try all these features of HTML at home. Enjoy your day. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.